In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a webhook in Zoho Projects. Start by signing into Zoho Projects and going to your portal homepage. This is the main dashboard area where you can access your project settings and administration tools. Take a moment to confirm you are in the correct portal, since webhooks are created from the setup area, not inside an individual task or milestone view. Next, look to the top area of the screen for the settings access, which is commonly shown as a small highlighted icon or menu entry. Click that highlighted area to open your setup options. This is where Zoho Projects groups tools related to configuration, automations, and integrations. Once the setup menu is open, find and click Automation. Automation is the section that controls items like workflow rules, custom functions, and webhooks. Webhooks are useful because they send information out of Zoho Projects to another app or service automatically, based on the configuration you choose. Inside the automation area, click Webhooks. This takes you to the Webhook Management page, where you can view existing webhooks and create new ones. Now click Add Webhook. This opens the webhook creation screen. On this page, you will see a few highlighted fields and options that need attention. Click into the first highlighted area and enter the required webhook details, such as the identifying information and the destination you want Zoho Projects to send data to. Then click into the next highlighted area to continue configuring the webhook settings. Move carefully and ensure each required field is filled in, because missing information can prevent the webhook from saving correctly. After that, locate the Layout option and click All Layouts. This setting controls which layouts or context the webhook applies to. In many cases, keeping it on all layouts ensures broader coverage, especially if you use multiple layouts across your projects. If you click All Layouts again, it confirms the selection and keeps the scope consistent. Next, click the remaining highlighted option to finalize the configuration on this screen. This is typically where you confirm the last key setting before saving. Double-check your entries for accuracy, since even a small typo can cause webhook deliveries to fail. Finally, click Save. Zoho Projects will store the webhook and make it available for use based on the configuration you just set. And that is all there is to it.